everyone desires to live long. But when you're granted that desire, would you still wish to live a little much longer? Some elderly people will say no, but the elderly ones who have encountered Dr. TEMI OLUDAYO will say yes again and again. Dr. OLUDAYO is the medical director of Top T Medical Center and Top T Healthcare Plus.
At Top T Medical Center, we deal with all different types of healthcare services. We deal with all of the HMO complaints. We have about 32 different HMO complaints. We deal with the care of the elderly majorly, and we also have Top T Physiotherapy Clinic. Some of our services that we render are specialist consultation, care of the elderly. We have residential care home. Here, we deal with their health care, their social well-being, and we also look after their mental health as well. We also have pharmacy service. You can walk in for pharmacy if you have over-the-counter prescription. We also have a walk-in doctor consultation. You don't need to book appointment. I gained wealth of experience from working with different NHS trusts in the UK. I worked with East Surrey Hospital. I worked with Osleys NHS. I also worked with NEFT NHS Trust. I got a certification in Bachelor of Physiotherapy from College of Medicine, University of Lagos. I've got Masters in Exercise Physiology. I proceeded to United Kingdom to study postgraduate course on International Healthcare Management from University of Essex. I got my PhD. I also have a certification in Health and Social Care and Sports Medicine. Again, my work experience started from Nigeria Military Hospital as a physiotherapy intern. I did my NYC at Igbobi Hospital as a physiotherapist. And thereafter, I proceeded to start working as a senior physiotherapy in a private firm to gain experience on how to run a private healthcare facility. And then thereafter, I opened a Top T Physiotherapy Clinic 15 years ago, which also bought Top T Medical Center in 2020.
Having told a road less traveled, Dr. OLUDAYO has so far trained about 200 professional caregivers who spread across Nigeria, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Dublin.
Care of the elderly is what I have passion for, and this has Best Care Certificate Training Academy, where I trained professional healthcare assistants that are recruited for employment abroad and some that wish to stay back home to look after the elderly as well. This group of people are trained to look after the elderly for their personal cares. We train these students online and on-site as well. At the end of the training, each student are expected to do minimum of 1,000 work experience, where they practicalize all that has been tutored in the class. Today we have over 50 of our students that are working in the UK as a professional healthcare assistant.
She currently has over 400 aged people directly benefiting from her healthcare facility. This is why she always gets her flowers as the reason why a lot of aged people still have a good life.
At Top T Healthcare Plus, the goal on the vision of this facility is to look after the elderly ones, especially for those that are in diaspora and then they don't have anyone to look after their elderly ones. It's a place that where you can drop your elderly ones on daily basis if you don't want them to live with us. They can also reside with us as we have a residential care home for them. Our facility is big enough to accommodate as many as possible. So we want to encourage you to come and visit us and then see what we have put in place for such service.
The name, Dr. TEMI OLUDAYO, allays all the fears and hassles of getting premium healthcare for your aged parents and grandparents.
At Top T Healthcare Plus, it's a place that is designed for the elderly ones to reside in. If you're in diaspora and then you have your elderly ones here, if you have the challenge of who to look after them, Top T Healthcare Plus is a place to bring them. For more enquiries, contact the phone number on the screen. We can't wait to have you. A trial will confuse you. This is a place where we care for the elderly ones to give them a long life.